A small, calloused hand trembled, holding a gleaming gold coin just unearthed from the dusty path. Its weight felt immense. The boy, Salim, looked around nervously in the bustling marketplace, his heart pounding. He was supposed to be selling his mother's meager vegetables. The coin was definitely real, heavy and warm in his palm, far more than he could earn in a week. His family desperately needed money for food and medicine. Nearby, a wealthy merchant, Sheikh Akbar, frantically searched near his stall, muttering about a lost gold coin. Salim overheard him describing the exact coin. Salim's conscience pricked him. He imagined his mother's tired face, but also the shame of keeping what wasn't his. With a deep breath, Salim walked towards the distraught merchant, the coin still clutched tightly. His steps felt heavy yet determined. He extended his hand, revealing the gleaming coin to Sheikh Akbar, who gasped in surprise and relief. "Is this yours, sir?" Salim asked softly. The merchant's face lit up with joy. He recognized the unique mark on the coin and praised Salim's incredible honesty. Sheikh Akbar not only gave Salim a generous reward for returning the coin but also offered him a steady job at his shop. Salim returned home with a full basket of groceries, a happy heart, and the promise of a brighter future for his family, all thanks to his integrity. Honesty always brings its own reward, often in unexpected ways, and builds trust that can open doors to a better future.
गहरा खोदा गया कुनवा अचानक धंस गया और गर्द व गुबार में हर तरफ खौफजदा चीखें सुनाई दें। गांव के बड़े, जिनमें नौजवान दुकानदार अहमद भी था, परेशानी से देख रहे थे। भीड़ के किनारे से एक सादा शाल पहने बाबा करीम नामी एक बूढ़ा शख्स सुकून से आगे बढ़ा। अहमद ने ऊंची आवाज में तंज किया, "ये क्या करेगा? हमें तो इंजीनियर और पैसा चाहिए, पुराने किस्से नहीं।" बाबा करीम ने इसकी बात पर ध्यान न दिया। उन्होंने थोड़ा हिटकर एक जगह की तरफ इशारा किया और कहा, "पानी यहां है, वहां नहीं। मैं खोदने में मदद करूंगा।" कोई और रास्ता न देखकर मायूस गांव वालों ने हिचकिचाते हुए बाबा करीम की बात मान ली। अहमद अब भी शक में था। गांव वालों ने नई जगह पर खुदाई शुरू कर दी। बाबा करीम ने उन्हें बगैर थके रहनुमाई दी, चट्टानों और मिट्टी के बारे में अपना कदीम इल्म बांटते रहे। अहमद दूर से देख रहा था और उसने बाबा करीम की दुरुस्त हिदायत और ज़मीन के गहरे इल्म को महसूस किया। इसे अपने पहले फैसले पर शक होने लगा। चंद ही घंटों में नए कुनवे से ठंडा साफ पानी फूट पड़ा, जो सबके लिए हैरत और बेपनाह सुकून का बाइस था। इस मंजर को देखकर अहमद शर्मिंदा हुआ और बाबा करीम के पास आया। इसने अपने पहले तासुब और बेअदबी के लिए सच्चे दिल से मुआफ़ी मांगी। बाबा करीम ने नरमी से मुस्कुराया, "बेटा, इल्म और दानाई हमेशा उम्दा लिबास में नहीं होते। कभी भी किसी किताब को इसके सरवरक से या किसी शख्स को इसकी ज़ाहिरी शक्ल से मत परखें। असल कीमत अंदरूनी खूबियों में होती है।"
He roughly pushed the old woman's heavy bags aside, muttering impatiently as she struggled to cross the busy street. Imran, a proud and often arrogant young man, walked away without a backward glance, leaving the frail old lady behind. His friend Ali, who witnessed the scene, shook his head sadly, having seen Imran's lack of respect for elders many times before. Days later, Imran arrived for a crucial job interview at a prestigious company, hoping this opportunity would change his life. To his utter shock, the senior interviewer who greeted him was none other than the very old woman he had rudely dismissed days earlier. Imran's face paled, consumed by a wave of shame and regret as he remembered his callous actions on the street. Bibi John, the esteemed director, looked at him with a knowing, gentle gaze, but said nothing about their previous encounter. The interview proceeded, but Imran struggled to answer questions, his mind consumed by guilt and embarrassment. After the interview, trembling, he sought out Bibi John and offered a heartfelt apology for his profound disrespect. Bibi John smiled kindly, accepted his apology, and gently told him that true success is built on a foundation of humility and respect for all. Always respect your elders, for their wisdom and experience are invaluable, and true character is revealed in how we treat those who seem to have nothing to offer.